Want a natural lift without the frozen look of Botox? Most people think you need expensive surgery for a facelift, but the secret is hidden in your muscle structure. The biggest mistake is focusing only on the skin and ignoring the muscles that hold it up. Today, I'll show you how to gravity-proof your face.
Welcome to Daniele Lima Method.
Meet Facelift, the cheek sculptor. To lift the face, you must build the cheeks. Hide your teeth with your lips. Now, make a long, narrow O shape with your mouth. While holding that O, try to smile using only the corners of your mouth. Do you feel that O? That's your zygomatic muscles. We are going to hold and pulse this movement. Keep your shoulders relaxed. If you feel tension in your neck, reset your posture. This is your natural filler. The jawline and neck sculpture. Now for the lower face. Tilt your head back slightly. Press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth. Now, smile and swallow. You will feel the muscles under your chin tightening. This is how we fight the double chin and jaws. Let's repeat this 30 times together. Take your time. Quality is better than speed. Lymphatic drainage. To finish the lift, we need to drain the fluids. Using very light pressure, sweep your fingers from the center of your face towards your ears and then down the neck. A natural lift requires precision. In my personalized mentorships, I analyze your muscle tension to ensure you aren't overworking the wrong areas. Click the link in the description and let's start your transformation. Do you feel the lift already? Tell me which side of your face feels more active in the comments. And remember, if you train your body at the gym, train your face the same way.